Hi dear student, good morning. मैं इंसान अली लेक्चरर इंग्लिश सुभागी देवी माध्यमिक विद्यालय इंटरमीडिएट कॉलेज इलाहाबाद. I hope that you will stay at your home in safe and sound. And it is government scheme that every institutes have to follow the instruction of government education board, and in this situation, in this condition, not only India but also every country is suffering from this disease coronavirus COVID-19. So in this situation, government declares to every state government, every state's education board that in setting school every student follow this instruction, this rule, and in this situation every education board declares to give to announce online classes for every institution. Then in this term here in Subhagi Devi Madhyamik Vidyalaya Intermediate College Allahabad, online classes may be survived eventually in ordering position. Then here in 11th and 12th class in English grammar, the topic synthesis. What is the main meaning of synthesis? By these topics you have to add two or more sentences into one sentence. Synthesis means to add two or more sentences into one sentence. How you will solve this puzzle? Here are three types of sentences in intermediate class: simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence. Meant simple mean in Hindi साधारण वाक्य, compound संयुक्त वाक्य, मिश्रित वाक्य. So you have to study topic by topic. First, simple sentence, two or more simple sentences into one simple sentence. As well as Rahul was hungry. He ate food. Here are two simple sentences, and you have to add these simple sentences into one simple sentence. Here verb was is be, in verb be is or am was were be. So you have to add these two simple sentences into one simple sentence. So verb was is be, so it is an example. We will learn topic by topic, term by term. Being hungry, comma, Rahul ate food. How this may be happen? Verb here was be, and it may be present participle. So how we solve this quotation? Here are three types of method by which we can add two or more simple sentences into one simple sentence. Participle. There are three types of participle: present participle, past participle, perfect participle. With the help of participle, we have to add two or more simple sentences into one simple sentence with the help of participle. And here are three types of participle: present participle, past participle, perfect participle. In present participle, verbs first form plus ing. In past participle, verbs third form. Perfect participle having plus verbs third form. By the help of these three types of participle, we have to add two or more simple sentences into one simple sentence. So first topic, present participle. By the help of present participle, we have to add two or more simple sentences into one simple sentence. Rohan saw a snake. He ran away. Here the first work is to see a snake, and at the second step ran away. So here the verbs saw, and we have to change these words into this verb into present participle. Here saw is the second form. Now we have to change this verb into first form, see, and after that we have to make this word into present participle. Seeing a snake, comma, Rahul ran away. The second sentence, here are two simple sentences. Mohan cooked food he ate. The first thing, in first sentence, cook is the verb, and here we have to make verb cook into present participle. Cooking food, comma, Mohan ate. In this way, by the help of present participle, we have to add ing in verbs first form, and after that we will add those two or more simple sentences into one simple sentence. And after that, past participle. Past participle means verbs third form. Verbs third form. By the help of verbs third form, we can add two or more simple sentences into one simple sentence, as well as Lata found her purse. It was lost. Here are two simple sentences, and by the help of verbs third form we can add two simple sentences into one simple sentences. Lata found her. Here is the verb's third form and it called past participle. Lata found her last purse. So by the help of past participle we can add two or more simple sentences into one simple sentence, and at the third part and the third topics by the help of perfect participle. We have to know perfect means complete. If it seems that in the first sentence work may be complete, then we will add those two or more sentences into one simple sentence. Perfect participle. Having plus verbs third form. Ranjana finished her homework. She went to sleep. Here are two simple sentences. In the first sentence, Ranjana finished her homework, and after finishing the homework, she went to sleep. It seems that the homework may be complete. So here we can use having plus verbs third form. Having completed her homework, comma, Ranjana went to sleep. So by the help of participle we can add two or more simple sentences into one simple sentence. By the help of present participle, verbs first form ing, and by the help of past participle, verbs third form, and by the help of perfect participle having plus verbs third form we can add two or more simple sentences into one simple sentence. Thank you.